Say hi. Okay, so I'm going to do an experiment on Josie. I'm going to put some salt on, some sour salt to see if she makes a face. Wait. Here.
Did Josie?
Look at her eye. Did you see her eye twitch? You want some more?
Hey, who are you talking about?
Talking to to the camera.
Can I?
Wait.
I can do it.
Wait. Did you see her face? Say bye, Josie. Say bye.